Through rain or sleet or dark or night, he'll snowshoe in, he'll fly a kite, he'll do whatever he needs to do to get the best of
It's the many adventures of Mr. Mailman.
Hi, my name is Marcel. My Aunt Chloe lives in a place where there is very squishy cheese, and I would like to ask if she likes it. Will you mind delivering this letter to her, Mr. Mailman?
Mr. Mailman would be happy to hand this letter to your Aunt, Marcel. Let's take a peek at the address. It looks like Mr. Mailman will be heading off to a place called France. Go, Mr. Mailman, go! Oh, look, Mr. Mailman has arrived in Paris, France, home of the Eiffel Tower, many wonderful cheeses, and the Notre Dame. Well, Mr. Mailman has a letter to deliver, and nothing, absolutely nothing can stop him. Except for this fabulous fashion show. France is famous for its fashion. Fortunately, Mr. Mailman has a fashionable side himself, so he's walking down the runway. Mr. Mailman is carrying a handsome mail bag, convenient for delivering packages all around the world. Now Aunt Chloe will get her letter.
Merci, Mr. Mailman. That means thank you in French.
Through rain or sleet or dark or night, he'll snowshoe in, he'll fly a kite.
Join us again for the many adventures of Mr. Mailman, here and at sproutonline.com, where he travels far and wide with sproutlets like you as his guide.